perfectly cooked salmon, and one of my favorite sauces of all time. This will be great. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making confit salmon with a sturgeon caviar sauce. The first thing that we need to do is get started on the sauce. We want to finely dice up some shallots. Then we want to do the same things with chives and also with a couple of sprigs of dill. We're going to pour some olive oil into a low, medium, hot pan. Then we want to add the shallots. Now we want to slowly cook these until they are translucent. Then we're going to add about half a cup of white wine, and we want to cook and reduce this until almost gone. Then we need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of a soft creamy cheese. We use Snøfrisk from Norway. We also want to add about half a cup of cream. Now you want to slowly cook this and melt the cheese. Then we're going to add the chives, and we're also going to add the dill. Let this cook together. We're going to season with salt and pepper. And then last but not least, we're going to add some sturgeon caviar roe to the dish. And then we can set it aside. The sauce is now ready, so let's confit the salmon. We have a beautiful piece of Scottish salmon here. We're going to trim it into a nice fillet. I use the pieces that I trim off for poke. We're going to pour 15 ounces of extra virgin olive oil into a pan. Then we're going to heat this up and add the same amount of butter. You want to heat up the butter olive oil to 155 degrees. Then we're going to pour this into a meatloaf pan. We're going to add the salmon. Then we're going to let this confit for about 8 minutes. You want to make sure that you keep the liquid at 155 degrees throughout. After 8 minutes, we're going to remove the salmon from the liquid. We're going to pat it dry, season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we're going to place some of the sturgeon caviar sauce on a plate. We're going to add the salmon, and then we're going to garnish with a couple of sprigs of dill. And then this simple and beautiful dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my salmon confit with a sturgeon caviar sauce. And it looks absolutely amazing. So here we go. And it tastes even better. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.